Good day everyone, my name is JP, 19 years old, from BS Infotech Programming, Section 1A. I'm here to summarize and explain what I learned on CWTS. Okay guys, let's go! Let me give you some background in this topic. CWTS is one of the components of NSTP. There are three components of NSTP: CWTS, ROTC, and LTE. But we will focus on CWTS. Let's read the quotes from Anonymous. A good citizen takes responsibility for helping home, school, and community to be a good place for everyone. From Anonymous. It's right. We need to help our country to be a good place for everyone. The states recognize the vital role of the youth in nation building and shall promote and protect their physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being. It shall inculcate in the youth patriotism and encourage their involvement in public and civic affairs. The 1987 Philippine Constitution that emphasized the vital role of the youth in nation building. This is highlights the constitutional mandates to support and empower the youth in the Philippines, ensuring their holistic development and active participation in society. Southern Leyte State University began offering the NSTP or National Service Training Program in the first semester of the academic year 2002 to 2003. This initiative was in compliance with Republic Act RA number 9163, which was signed into law by President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on March 23, 2002. This slide describes when Southern Leyte State University started offering the National Service Training Program or NSTP. In essence, the slides explain that SLSU started its NSTP program in response to the law mandating and ensuring students receive training in civic welfare, literacy, and other essential skills. Republic Act number 9163, National Service Training Program or NSTP, Act of 2001. Republic Act number 9163, also known as the National Service Training Program or NSTP, Act of 2001. This act mandates the NSTP for tertiary level students, requiring them to complete one of the three program components: civic warfare training service, CWDS, literacy training service, or reserve officer training corps or ROTC. The act titled Establishing the National Service Training Program or NSTP for tertiary level students, amending for the purpose Republic Act number 7077 and Presidential Decree number 1706 mandates that educational institutions provide NSTP for their students. According to Section 10 of the Act, school authorized and responsible for the academic and administrative supervision of the design, formulation, adoption, and implementation of the various NSTP components within their respective institution. Establishing the National Service Training Program NSTP for tertiary level students, amending for the Purpose Republic Act number 7077 and Presidential Decree PD number 1706 mandates educational institutions to provide NSTP for their students. In simpler terms, schools are in charge of creating, managing, and implementing the NSTP program to comply with the law. The NSTP is designed to enhance civic consciousness and defense preparedness among the youth by fostering the ethics of service and patriotism. This is achieved through training in one of its three components: the Reserve Training Officer, the Reserve Officer Training Corps or ROTC, the Civic Welfare Training Service CWTS, and the Literacy Training Service LTS. The slide describes the purpose and components of the National Service Training Program or NSTP, consciousness and defense preparedness among the youth by offering the ethics of service and patriotism. And there's are three, like I said, there are three components training and provided through one of the three components. 1. Reserve Officer Training Corps or ROTC, Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS, Literacy Training Service or LTC. In summary, NSTP aims to make young or us to be prepared and aware to serve their country through various training programs. Established under RA 9163, which amend RA number 7027, the Presidential Decree number 1706 NSTP, aims to develop a sense of social responsibility and readiness to defend the country. Additionally, Section 2 of RA 9163 emphasizes that the program's goals is to promote the role of the youth in nation building by instilling value and providing training for their involvement in public and civic affairs. It aims and goals of the National Service Training Program are the aims and goals of National Service Training Program or NSTP as established under RA 9163, which amend RA number 707 and Presidential Decree number 1706. Essential, the NSTP seeks to make youth more socially aware, responsible, and active in contributing to the nation, to our nation. Why? Because we are the future of this country. NSTP, ROTC, and CWTS components offered in the university should be under for academic period of 2 semesters and should be credited for 3 units per semester for 54 hours per semester. And ROTC or CWTS unit shall not be included in the computation of grade weighted average. Outlines the academic structure for NSTP, ROTC, and CWTS components in the university. Duration undertaken for an academic period of 2 semesters. Credits credited for 3 units per semester. Ours requires 54 hours per semester. And like the slide says, our everything we do in CWS are not recorded. It's recorded but not going to our grades, our GWA or weighted average, grade weighted average. The National Service Training Program, NSTP, Act of 2001 mandates all citizens, both male and female, to fulfill this civic duty. The National Service Training Program, NSTP, Act of 2001 mandates all citizens, both male and female, to fulfill this civic duty. No, it means there's a equality in this law, diba? Like women and men can do this. This means that under the NSTP Act, all Filipino citizens, regardless of gender, are required to participate in national service training. The goal is to instill civic consciousness and defense preparedness among the youth, because again, we are the future of this country. What is NSTP? NSTP is a program aimed at enhancing civic consciousness and defense preparedness in the youth by developing the ethics of service and patriotism, while undergoing training in any of its 3 program components. I will explain what is the civic consciousness, defense preparedness, ethics of service, and patriotism. Civic consciousness, making them more aware of their role in society. Right? We're not like, I don't know what to do. Next, defense preparedness, training them to be ready to defend the country. Like, if there's a war, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Ethics of service, instilling a sense of duty and service to the nation. We need to help others, not just us. We need to help others. Patriotism, developing love and pride for the country. We need to stand for our country because this is our country. Even this is corrupt country. That's all, guys. See you in part 2.